Hello class, this is Mr. Broussard. I'm sending this video for the 8th week of our Composition 2 course for the fall of 2020. I hope you're all doing well, and I wanted to send this video to let you know what it is that we will be doing for this week. Good news is there is no reading for this week. However, you do have a video to watch, and that is Oedipus. You will watch a play performance of Oedipus Rex from the BBC in 1986 or 87 through Films on Demand. Now, I have posted this video under the Announcements tab. So what you were to do is click on Announcements and then scroll all the way back down to where it says Oedipus the King Video. So the video shows up on the screen. It will say Films on Demand Digital Education Video Username and Password. Scroll down a little bit and you have the username and password and a notice that I've just posted to it. The username and password there, you can copy and paste. Let me make sure I'm telling you correctly that it will copy and paste. So copy and then paste the username that I've given you, and now the password, you can copy that, paste that in, click login, and it says the theme and place Sophocles Oedipus King. You should see a dude in a white linen suit talking to a woman who is very long brownish hair. You then click on that and the video will start. So make sure you watch that for this week. Technically, that is what is assigned to you for this week and next week, and also in the process to read Oedipus out of your textbook on page 1207. Now, you will not have a reader response for this week since it's the same work going over 2 weeks, but the reader response for Oedipus will be next week, and then will be due after that. So you know, you have a little time as far as that reader response is concerned. Now, you do have a journal that is due this week. So just so you know, you have a journal due November the 16th, 2:59 a.m. So that'd be Monday, early Monday morning. So Sunday night before you go. Actually, check that. I said the wrong thing. You have a journal, but it's not, that journal is actually not due until Wednesday at 2:59. So Tuesday night next week, you do have a journal that is due. Of course, this thing's going to be screwy with me. Hold on. So yes, Tuesday night before you go to bed, you need to make sure you do journal entry 7, and the topic is integrity. So the broad topic of integrity, you need to narrow that broad topic to something about integrity in which you would like to write about. All the parameters are the same as before, and then make sure that gets done and turned in no later than Tuesday night. Now, Sunday night, you have the poetry analysis essay, that is the poetry analysis essay. Let me be abundantly clear. You are not to write any poetry. Don't do that. If you do that, you'll earn a 0. This is the same as before. It is to take 3 different points of analysis from a work of poetry or different works of poetry, or if you can find it, the same point of analysis from 3 different poems and be able to expound on that solidly in each of those 3 ones for at least 1 body paragraph, at least 5 total paragraphs, at least 1,000 words. All the parameters as before are the same as they are now on the poetry. However, a reminder that one of the 3 points of analysis, whereas in general, I give you complete freedom to choose your points of analysis no matter what. I did on the first one, I will again on the third one. And 2 of the 3 points of analysis on this essay will be your choice to determine whatever you would like as far as symbolism, motif, thematic importance, character analysis, those different areas. But one of the 3 on this essay must be that mathematical component, either the existence of it or the lack of existence of it. So if it's got rhyme scheme, you note that. If it has a certain rhythm, and in that rhythm it's caused because of the amount of syllables per line, you want to note that. If that happens to be a consistency of a term, in particular, if it deals with iambic pentameter, you want to note that. You need to note how many lines are in each stanza and what that called. A consistency to those. So many stanzas, so many lines per each stanza, and if it's consistent, then what that is noted. So those are the areas mathematical wise. Rhyme scheme, meter, feet. So ABBA, or AB, CD, EF. Or in particular with the sonnets that are 14-line poems, and noting One, that they're 14-line poems. What is the rhyme scheme? What is the difference in rhyme scheme that makes it different between a Shakespearean sonnet and a Petrarchian sonnet, or the English and Italian sonnets? And noting that, those are the areas that you will delve into. Some of you have done that already in your read responses and have done a quality job in doing it. And thank you for doing that. And like with the reader response on the first essay, you can take one of your reader responses, have it be a part of this essay, add 2 other points of analysis, have the 3 points of analysis make up the bodies, have a proper thesis paragraph, have a proper concluding paragraph, and there you go. Most of y'all did really well in the first one, so I expect you will on this one. The one key difference being, of course, that mathematical component must be one of those 3 points. So that is coming up, and again, is due Sunday night. Although, to be honest, you know what? I've decided to do, I'll give you an extra 24 hours just to be a little nicer. So let's just say Monday night. In fact, I'll go ahead and change that for you now. So let's say Monday night before you go to bed. Monday night before you go to bed. That is when it will be due. Although the earlier you can get this done, the better off you will be. But you have Sunday night to get it done, and you'll have Monday night to get it done. But then you'll have until 2:58 a.m. on Tuesday, November the 17th to get it done. And then at 2:59 a.m. on Tuesday, November 17th, it will lock you out. And you have 0. You've earned your 0. So again, let's just say Monday night, get the poetry essay, poetry analysis essay done. Let me make that abundantly clear. And then on Tuesday night, you will make sure you get Journal 7 done. And so that's it as far as the physical work. You don't have anything to read unless you want to get a jump on reading Oedipus. Of course, technically, if you just watch Oedipus and you find that that's the best way to get the play, then just watch it. If you do more with visual, audio stuff, then the play performance will work for you. If you're one who gets it more by reading will do better for you. So use whichever of the 2 you'd like to. That's fine. Now, again, you will not have a reader response this coming weekend to get done for Oedipus, but you will have one the following week. So it will come, but not just yet. So this week, all you have is Journal Entry 7 and the poetry essay. Poetry essay is due Monday night. The Journal Entry 7 is due Tuesday night. And to watch Oedipus. And then that is it. So that is it as far as this week is concerned. I hope you're all doing well, that everyone has not only survived the storm, but have been able to recover, get their power back, their internet back, their lives a little back in better order. Make sure you get done what needs to get done, and I will send another video to you next week.